Hi, this is Christopher Sparrow with iTechGear.org, and I've got an unboxing today of the Gadget Discovery Club monthly subscription box. Gadget Discovery Club is a subscription box that comes once a month. You get the opportunity to go ahead and pre-order for the entire year, for a 6-month period, or for a monthly period. The entire year, which is prepaid, will cost you $276. The 6-month subscription is $167. The monthly subscription is $32. Now, all of this is actually transacted in either Canada, the UK, or the US, and the transaction is actually done in pound sterling. So there is a conversion rate involved. The monthly subscription box is £24, which works out to roughly $32 a month. Right? You go ahead, you create a profile on the site. They will go ahead and ask you how tech savvy you are. You tell them, then they'll go ahead and present you with the opportunity to sign up. You sign up, they charge you right away. They send your box, your first box, the very next day, and then shortly after that, and maybe a week or so, because it is coming from the UK, you get your first monthly subscription box. Now, I've been in this, and I've taken a look at what they had sent me because honestly, I love monthly subscription boxes. Who doesn't? All right. But a couple things you need to know. You get one gadget and one gadget only every month. Now, you may get things from Google or Samsung or Rise or a number of different high-quality vendors. I got, for my very first box, the Rise Mini Boom wireless speaker. Now, this particular speaker, it looks like it's about the size of an egg, right? A very small egg. It's flat top speaker on the top, micro USB connector on the bottom with a switch. All right, you go ahead, you plug it in, charge it up, connect with your music source, your phone, tablet, whatever you got, and away it goes. All right. This is heavy. It's got some heft to it. It looks like you could do some damage if you let it fly. To be honest, I've got Blue speakers plenty. This is not a smart speaker, so it really isn't doing me any good. But for $32, it ain't all that bad. So, I'm going to go ahead over the next 3 months, do a couple of short unboxings like this one today, to be able to go ahead and see what they've sent. Now, this subscription auto renews. I do have the monthly subscription as opposed to prepaying for an entire year or for 6 months, because I just don't know what kind of devices they're going to send me. You have no idea. It's completely blind. But I'm a little disappointed in this particular device. Quite honestly, like I said, I've got speakers hanging around the house. And how powerful can this little bad boy be? I may be surprised, but it ain't gonna put out like an Echo or an Echo Dot or a HomePod or anything like that. And since all of those are smart speakers, this leaves a little bit to be desired. So, an okay sort of surprise shot in the dark. On a scale of 1 to 10, I probably give it about maybe a 6. Not real overjoyed with what I got in my very first box, but we'll see how it goes. Next 3 months, I'll do a quick unboxing. You can see it here on iTechGear.org, and we'll see how it goes. This may be something that is a lot of fun, or it may end up being the waste of maybe about $96 or so. We'll have to wait and see. Again, this is Christopher Sparrow with the Gadget Discovery Club monthly subscription box.